Hey guys, nice to see you back at Garfin's creation. Delicious, luscious cherry compote. Sweet cherry filling too. That's what you can call this. So today at Garfin's creation, let's make this cherry compote or cherry filling. And you can use this for so many ways that I'll be telling you later in the video. It's very simple to make with just 3 ingredients. So let's get started. Here I have taken 300 grams of fresh red cherries. We will get rid of the stem and also the seed inside. We can either cut it into half and get the seed out like this way, or you can also use a drinking straw and insert it through the stem and push the seed out from the other end. This way too, it's very quick and easy. And I'll be cutting the cherries into 2 halves. I find it much better to cut it into 2 halves so you can make the cherry compote much easier. So I will just deseed all the cherries and get it ready and then show you what has to be done next. So all our cherries are ready now. Besides the cherry, I have taken 1/3 cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of corn flour. Into the corn flour, I'll be adding just 1 teaspoon of water and give it a mix. We'll use this later to thicken the cherry filling. These are all the things we require. So let's start cooking the cherries. I've just heated a pan and added the cherries along with the sugar. And now I'll be cooking this on medium flame. And this will take around 5 to 8 minutes for the cherries to get nice and soft and mushy. We do not have to add any water in this. The sugar will start melting and the cherries too will start leaving its juices. We'll continue cooking in this till it gets nice and soft. Use this fresh cherry filling or compote for your ice creams, custard, pie, tarts, cake filling, cupcake filling, cheesecake, yogurts, toast, and even brownies as well. You can prepare this and keep it in the fridge for 1 week or in the freezer for 2 to 3 months. As you can see, while mixing, I'm also pressing them so that they get a little more mushier. It's been almost 7 minutes that the cherries have been cooked and it's got a little bit dry. So it's time to add the corn slurry that we had just prepared. Just mix it well and we'll stir this for just another minute. Adding this corn flour is just optional. It just gives an extra shine and extra thickness to this cherry compote. So our delicious cherry compote or cherry filling is ready. We will let it cool down completely before we could store it in a glass jar. I'm just pouring it into a glass bowl. So this is just for presentation. And I'll be using this soon in the next cupcake recipe. So stay tuned and do keep watching more of Garfin's creation videos and know how to use this cherry compote too. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to Garfin's creation. And I'll see you soon again in the next video too. Till then, take care. Bye bye.